elevators here at CSU. I think there's probably another Endura. This one has a bit of a different cab. Same custom fixtures. That's weird. It's like a frickin' scale of them. At the most worn, somewhat worn, the least worn. You can tell which floors they go to the most in this elevator. Looks like this is some cafeteria, maybe? I'm not sure. They have ballrooms here. Wow. Didn't know they have whole event spaces here. Get a look at the panel.